Hi everyone, my name is Sonja. Today we will talk about this grenade launcher, M203MT from TAGinn company. Let's get started.
M203MT on a standalone platform. There are different configurations. The grenade launcher is opened by pressing the lever with your thumb. Safety. Trigger. The trigger mechanism is locked when the grenade launcher is open. The grenade launcher is held on the platform by two bolts. The standalone platform is the same as that of the ML36KC grenade launcher, but a gun sling loop has been added to it. As you can see, the rifling is made only on a small part of the barrel. The front part of the barrel is not functional. All parts except the bolt and the trigger are made of non-magnetic metal. The mount can change position and the grenade launcher can be placed on non-standard rails. The M203 is installed on the AK-74. M203 mounted on the SGR-12 shotgun. Sight from the M203MT grenade launcher. As you can see, the maximum firing range is 200 meters. A small rail can be installed on the side to mount the collimator. The rail can be mounted vertically or horizontally. The sight is mounted on the wrist rail mount and secured with two bolts to the grenade launcher or weapon. The M203MT grenade launcher has its own special shells, the MT series. This shell is similar to the KC version grenade, loaded into a non-removable sleeve. Let's try to load and unload the grenade launcher. The shell remains in the barrel. I hooked it with a knife and pulled it out of the barrel. Grenades come in several types, with a time delay of 3.5 and 5 seconds, impact initiation, and white smoke, similar to the KC version grenades. The TAGinn company also announced but has not yet released the Ranger grenade, which is initiated by an impact and has no time limit for the response. The MT and KC grenades are very similar. Let's try loading them into M203MT grenade launcher. The KC version grenades are suitable. We will check the possibility of firing them at the firing range. Let's check how the MT version grenades fit into a standard 40mm pouch. It is clear that they are slightly smaller in diameter and can fall out of the pouches. The weight of the grenades. The small grenade weighs 71 grams. The impact grenade weighs 42 grams. The grenade with a time delay weighs 45 grams. The M203MT grenade launcher weighs 840 grams. Together with a standalone platform and sight, it weighs less than 2 kilograms. Let's shoot. First, we will fire from the grenade launcher when it is placed on the platform. Not bad for a first shot. Now let's mount the grenade launcher on the AK-74. This wasn't so accurate. Apparently, when mounting the grenade launcher on a weapon, it needs to be sighted in. The spent cartridge case got stuck in the barrel. I had to take it out again. Now let's try shooting at maximum range. The grenade flies far, but there is not enough time delay. Let's try a smoke grenade. The grenade flew 210 meters, which is very cool. Let's try shooting at a building again. The distance is about 200 meters. It's clear that you can hit targets at a long distance. Now let's try impact initiation grenades. The grenade ricocheted off the wall and was triggered by the time delay. Let's try again on thick cardboard. The grenade pierced the cardboard and was also triggered by the time delay. Let's try shooting at night. As you can see, the MT grenade has no tracer trail. All grenades worked as expected. After the shot, plastic cartridges and capsules remained. Let's try to shoot a kick charge grenade. The grenade loaded. The shot didn't occur. The grenade jumped out of the cartridge under the impact of the striker and got stuck in the barrel. Let's try again. The result is similar. KC grenades are not compatible with the MT version of the grenade launcher. Conclusion. The M203MT grenade launcher is very similar to the original. The accuracy and range of the grenade launcher are very high. Although it seems to me that the ML36 KC grenade launcher is a little more accurate. Disadvantages. Non-standard MT series grenades. In fact, this is a reduced copy of the 40x46 combat grenade. They have a questionable legal status. The cartridges use a capsule and a combustible charge. The energy of the shot is very high. In the event of injuries during the game, it will be difficult for the owners of the fields to escape responsibility. The price for a grenade launcher and $4 for a grenade. The grenade launcher, I think, is more suitable not for airsoft, but for military training, when the participants are dressed in protection. Organizing the shooting of combat 40mm grenades is usually associated with an implementation of serious safety requirements. And this device will allow training at regular shooting ranges. Although the MT series shells have the potential to be used in automatic grenade launchers, most likely we will soon see a training Mach 19. Bye.